What's up, everybody? This is Rick Lee with Rick Lee Studios here. Have you ever been using your camera and you're doing a 4K shot and realized you're not getting the fluid shots that you're looking for? I had that same problem, so I went ahead and got on Amazon and I bought this. It's the Hohem,
Bless you,
iSteady Pro 2. This bad boy is supposed to make my life a lot more easier. So let's get to the unboxing right after this. Welcome back, everybody. This is the unboxing of the iSteady Pro 2 with the expansion kit. This is for cameras such as this, like my DJI Osmo Action camera. You can also use it for GoPros and a few other type of smaller cameras. It also comes with the holder for your phone. So I'll show you how that works later. When you run your DJI, you can use the DJI app also, and you can use that to control that camera. So this is pretty sweet. As you can see on the box here, it has the inception mode via panning 600-degree rotation. I think you can see that possibly. Angled roll design enables unobstructed shooting and framing. Motion time-lapse, which I'm curious about, being controlled from this. Also, enhanced motor solution to improve torsion by 30%. Trigger button for sport mode and recenter, and camera charging. Now, this is an awesome feature, especially the camera charging, as we've all ran into the situation where we just needed a little extra juice. All right, here we go. We're going to do the unboxing of this right now. Before I get started, I would like to say I would be more than happy to get rid of this kitchen knife here for a small custom knife to open boxes with. I will more than be happy to give you guys credit for whoever sends me one of these custom knives. Pretty nice, I like that. So it looks like we have an extension pole. We also have the phone holder. And then we have whatever is going to be in here. Let's find out right now what we have. Alright. Comes with an instruction booklet. And from what I've seen from the reviews that I've looked at, it's got quite a few features on here. You might actually need this book to come up with how to work this thing. Dangerous, do not eat. I like that. I need a fortune cookie.
yes!
Alright. Right off the bat, I can tell you this tripod's made out of plastic. I don't know if that's something that's made, all of them are made out of plastic or not. Feels like it could be a little flimsy. However, yeah, it's a plastic tripod. Alright. Oh, rubber grips on the bottom. I like that. Now we're supposed to have a couple cords with this thing. Alright, so we have a mini HDMI cord here. We also have the USB-C and another mini with an angle. Alright, so I've never owned a gimbal before. This is the first one that I've ever got. I'm not really sure how to take it, as you know, I just never used one of these before, so this is going to be interesting. So we went out and did a little B-roll with this gimbal earlier, and there is just so much to this. There's no way that I can figure this all out in a day. And trying to learn the gimbal and how to be fluid with it, it drastically made my video better. However, there's a few settings on here that I really don't know what it does, and I think just having a better understanding of what this thing's supposed to do is going to be a bonus for me. With that, till next time, my name is Rick Lee with Rick Lee Studios. Don't forget to hit that like button, because smashing it might be wrong. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll we'll see you again. Till next time, peace.